Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, as the title suggests, I have my top favorite 5 concealers with me that I'm going to show you all. And these are all drugstore concealers, so these are like quite good options to choose from if you are looking for a concealer. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So the first concealer that I have with me is this PAC Take Cover Concealer. So I purchased this concealer like 2 or 3 months back and I'm using it since then. It is a beautiful concealer, especially for dry skin. It works awesome and I really loved its packaging. Like, it is a tube shaped concealer kind of packaging which has this doe foot applicator which makes it really easy to apply wherever you want to. And this is a very creamy sort of concealer which is perfect for dry skin. I have dry skin and this works really well for me. So this concealer is nourishing, it is beautiful, it has a great coverage as well. And also this concealer, like the Take Cover Concealer from PAC, this has a really good shade range, so you can easily find your perfect match. It is affordable, like I got it for rupees 495 and also it is like easily available on all e-commerce platforms. And I'm in the shade Stark Nude and this is the exact match of my skin tone. So if you are my skin tone, then you can go in with this shade. But if you need a brightening concealer, then you can go in with 1 or 2 shades lighter than this one. But this is like the perfect shade for me. Like, it helps to cancel out the darkness or pigmentation that I have, and then I top it with 2 or 1 shade lighter than this. And now let me show the texture of this concealer. So you can see that. And now just look at this concealer, like how easy is this to blend. Next up I have with me is this Makeup Revolution Concealer, and this is the Conceal and Define Concealer. Okay, so this concealer is my obsession. This is such a full coverage and beautiful concealer. Like, I'm done with this. There is no product left, like you can see. So yes, this is how much I love this concealer. I'm going to purchase it again. And also this concealer is the exact dupe of Tarte concealer, and also you know Tarte is like so expensive, but you can get this in like in drugstore range. And also I am in the shade C6 and this is like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I used it as my brightening concealer. And also this retails for rupees 700 something. Like, I don't remember the prices of this. I will link all these concealers with their prices in my description box, so do not forget to check that. And it has a thick formula, but still it feels so light under your eyes. You won't feel like you are wearing anything. And also they have huge color shades, so you can easily get yours. And its coverage is the best. It can cover the darkest of the darkest pigmentation and dark circles. And yeah, it is like one of the best in drugstore range, and also it is easily available. So definitely if you are searching for a good concealer, you can get your hands on this product. Next concealer that I have with me is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And you can actually see how much I have used. Just this much is left, and this one is my second purchase. I'm already done with the one and this is the second one that I'm using, and I'm almost done with this. I have to order it again. Like, I love to restock this product. It is that good. I started my YouTube channel with this. So yes, there are a lot of memories with this concealer, and oh my god, its fragrance take me back to those days. This concealer is super thin. It is so light under eyes. You won't feel anything wearing. It is a weightless formula which has a medium to full coverage, but still it covers really good. Like, you can see I have applied it here. And it is so creamy and so easy to blend. It is perfect for dry skin, and I really love its sponge tip applicator which makes it really easy to apply. So soft and so smooth under eyes. It is a great drugstore concealer. I think it is for rupees 600 something. And also it is available on all e-commerce platforms. And yeah, this is like highly recommended. If you are a beginner, you're gonna love this concealer because it is so effortless to blend this concealer. Next concealer that I have with me is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I recently started using this concealer like for a month now, and you know how regular I do makeup. So in 1 month I have used it at least 20 times. And why I wasn't using it before, like this concealer is, oh my god, this concealer has my heart. And I don't know, I was so stuck into this concealer. Like I truly love this concealer. I have my 3 or 4 like regular concealers, and that's what I use. And I know, I just thought of, giving it a try, and it is such a beautiful concealer. And also I'm in the shade 20 Sand, and this is a brightening concealer, like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. It is super hydrating. It moisturizes your under eyes like dream, and it is medium to full coverage, but it is like so beautiful. It looks so beautiful under eyes. It is so affordable. Like in sale I got it for rupees 300 something. Like yes, a great concealer at that price. There is always a discount on Amazon, so you can get it from there. You must give it a shot. Like all the concealers that I'm showing you, you can pick any of that like aankh band karke, because I'm trying them all for like so long now. And yes, they are tried and tested by me, and I really love them. Each one of them has some great formula. And the last concealer that I have with me is this LA Girl Pro HD concealer. Now what I like about this concealer is that it has a heart-winning formula. Like trust me, it is so creamy and it blends like dream, and it has a medium to buildable full coverage. It lasts for so long, and it is kind of water resistant. Like there is a difference between water resistant and waterproof. So this is a sort of water resistant concealer, and it stays for so long. It is suitable for every skin type. You can get it at any e-commerce platform. It is so affordable, like for rupees 495 or 500 something. And there are a huge shade range to opt your concealer from, but I am in the shade Light Ivory, and this is like 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So once I color correct my under eyes, I use this concealer to sort of highlight the highest points of my face. And I really like its applicator. Like it has this brush sort of applicator, and you can see how much I have used. It's time to buy this thing again, and this one is my second tube. I'm done with the one, this is the second, this is about to get done, and I'm gonna purchase it again. It is that beautiful. I also use it like to highlight my brow bone. Like I apply it like this way and then this way to just pop out my brows. So yes, it is like really easy to apply and really easy to blend. So truly love this concealer and its formula. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful. All these 5 concealers are so beautiful. You can pick any because they are so good, and they are like from 300 to 700 or 800. Like the range is from 300 to 800, so you can pick accordingly. And yeah, they all are suitable for every skin type. So if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.